Put this on. Take this off. Take this off. Take the gauge off. Okay. Take that cap off. Cut this zip tie. So push your screen up. Then you're gonna take these screws off, 5/16, this one. Okay, this one was a little bit different than Skidoo. Pull this open, and there's one of the screws right there. It's gonna go, that screw you took off right there, and there's a hole right there, and that hole right there underneath. Put that in the bracket first, and I face it that way. And then I like to route this wire, I think, between there. Okay, so go hooked up, take it like that. There's this one screw hole right there. Yeah, there we go. That hole, and that hole, and that hole. So that one's screwed. And those two are screwed right there. These are the two bolts. To take the hood off, it's right down the hill from that. You put all that back together, kill switch up, turn on the computer, and then you're gonna go in preferences. You're gonna hook up your Wi-Fi. Do that. You get up to Wi-Fi, and sometimes it helps to put a jumper, hook up a jumper battery, because these batteries aren't that big, but I had a hard time. I was running the sled and trying to hook up a battery. Go in general, software update. This one's available. So hit that, download, and wait for it to download. This little bar will fill up, you'll be done. Then it'll install it after that. I just have this like Napa charger on there. So it says to have a higher battery voltage, even with a jumper battery, is not enough volts. I'm not sure why, but you gotta have more than 12 volts. I think it's like 14 volts or something like that. So I had to take it outside and run the sled. I'll let it idle for a long time. So after you do that, then there'll be a button down here that says maps.